Welcome back to students of class 4th. It is the video for chapter 4, a letter to my friend, grammar portion. That means the word power, the building blocks along with the practice book. Okay, so the grammar portion will be from the course book first, explanation is there, then we will move towards the practice book also of class 4th. The word power is the topic we are going to study today now, or we are going to head with the word power now. And the topic which we are going to study is suffixes. Previously we studied about prefixes. Now we are going to study about the suffixes. What is the meaning of suffix and what is the meaning of prefix? प्रीफिक्स क्या थे? जो हम वर्ड के आगे लगाते थे. ओके, जैसे कंफर्टेबल को हमने बना दिया अनकंफर्टेबल. ओके, और पेशेंट को इम्पेशेंट या हाँ, पेशेंट को इम्पेशेंट, एविटेबल इनएविटेबल. ओके, तो ये सब क्या थे? प्रीफिक्सेस थे. प्रीफिक्सेस को हम वर्ड के आगे लगाते थे और उससे हमें उसका नेगेटिव या फिर ऑपोजिट मीनिंग मिलता था. एबल, अनेबल, क्वालिफाई, डिसक्वालीफाई. तो ये क्या थे? प्रीफिक्सेस. अब हम उसका ऑपोजिट पढ़ेंगे, सुफिक्सेस. सुफिक्सेस आर द वर्ड्स विच आर एडेड एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. सुफिक्सेस वो वर्ड होते हैं जो वर्ड के एंड में जोड़े जाते हैं और इनसे एक नया वर्ड हमें मिल जाता है. प्रोबेबली इट इज़ नॉट द ऑपोजिट और द नेगेटिव. ये कुछ और वर्ड्स होते हैं नेगेटिव या फिर इससे हमें नेगेटिव या फिर ऑपोजिट नहीं मिलता है. तो सुफिक्सेस को हम कहाँ लगाते हैं? वर्ड के पीछे. लेट्स रीड फ्रॉम द बुक. Suffixes. You have already learned about prefixes. Now read the following sentences and observe the part of the word in the bold. I used to be irritable. I got constant encouragement. Now, irritable, encouragement, able and meant are the suffixes. ये कहाँ लगे हुए हैं? Irritable, irritable, encouragement. ये कहाँ लगे हुए हैं? वर्ड के पीछे. A prefix is added at the beginning of the word, whereas the suffix is added at the end of the word. Let's read some suffixes. Meant. When meant is added to excite, it becomes excitement. Meant is added to agree, it becomes agreement. Able is added to comfort, it becomes comfortable. Able is added to adore, it becomes adorable. Ness is added to happy, happiness. Ness is added to weak, weakness. Full is added to beauty, it becomes beautiful. Full is added to help and it becomes helpful. So here add again there is something different when you are adding with the you are when we are adding some suffixes to the words which are ending with y. Okay, so it becomes I. जैसे happy से क्या बन जाता है? happiness. ओके, अगर कोई वर्ड आई से ऐड हो रहा है, वाई से एंड हो रहा है, तो उसको जब हम उसमें कोई सफिक्स ऐड करते हैं तो वाई को हटा के हम क्या जोड़ देते हैं? आई जोड़ देते हैं. ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. So suffixes are the words. Let's revise. Suffixes are the words which are added at the back side of the word, which are added at the end of the word to give a different or new word. Okay. Probably it is not the negative or the opposite, but it is a new word, and there can be so many suffixes which can be added at the back side of the words. Some of them we studied right now. Let's move towards the exercises. Heading towards the exercise. Mint. So encouragement. Okay. Enjoyment. Able, comfortable. नेस. नेस से हम क्या बनाएंगे? हैप्पीनेस भी बना सकते हैं, वीकनेस भी बना सकते हैं. ओके, फुल, हेल्पफुल, शन, डिक्टेशन, डिक्टेट, डिक्टेशन. ओके, नाउ यू कैन अरेंज दीज वर्ड्स फॉर योरसेल्फ इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. आपको उनको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑरेंज में ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई 5. इट इज़ वेरी पीसफुल टाउन, द पुलिस इज डूइंग इट्स जॉब वेरी वेल. We should donate our clothes to the dash and needy. So we can write here homeless and the needy. My dogs dash is hard to believe it can sleep the whole day. Laziness. Most people don't understand the mm, seriousness of global warming. Be very careful when you cross the road. Don't play near the table. It is Don't play near the table, it is breakable. He is absolutely fearless. He is not afraid of anything. I find it quite difficult to believe the story. It is not believable. Okay. Now, any two words in the above sentences can have a homonym. Write the two words in the spaces given below. What are those two words which can have a homonym? One can be break. Okay. ब्रेक एक तो होता है ब्रेक लेना एंड वन ब्रेक इज तोड़ना. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर कैन बी any two words in the above sentences can have homonym. Peace, fear, believe, home, peace. Again, peace can be there. Okay, that's all. So, again, we will move towards the practice book portion. Practice book portion, my turn one. We have to add some suffixes here. Power, powerful. Play, playable. Playful, playful. Ill, illness. Sweet, sweetness. Commit, commitment. Entertain, entertainment. Kind, kindness. Spoon, spoonful. Develop, development. Agree, agreement. Dark, darkness. Dry, dryness. Avail, available. Harm, harmful. Use, useful. So that's all in this video. Thanks for listening.